Hey boys and girls, good morning. Welcome to another week of school. Today is Monday. We have made it to Monday. Let's switch our days over here. So I just said today is Monday, which means yesterday was an S day. It was Sunday. So if yesterday was Sunday, and today is Monday, what does that make tomorrow? Tuesday. That's right. Okay, so who remembers what month we are in? I think Miss Austin spelled it for us last week, didn't she? April. A-P-R-I-L. April. All right, well, let's figure out what day it is. I have the new date right here. So let's count. You ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Look how much we are filling up April. Can you believe it? So let's figure out our pattern. We'll start on the 12th with the cloud. Remember, we do a loud clap for our cloud, don't we? So we have cloud, umbrella, umbrella, rain, cloud, umbrella, umbrella, rain. So what comes next? Cloud. So we have 20 and a cloud. Do you remember what 20 looks like? A 2 and a 0. A 2 and a 0. So today is Monday, April 20th. April 20th. All right. So we need to start counting down for our how many days are left in school, and we left off at 20, just like today is our 20th of April. Last Friday we had 20 days left from school. So if you count one down, we're getting rid of all of our 20s and we get to go into our teens. We're going to go to 19, and you guys are going to be able to count backwards easily with me from now on, because we have been doing that from 20. So today is 19 more days of school left. Not very many. Not very many. Okay, so boys and girls, this week we're going to start a new letter. We're going to start a letter T. We only have 3 letters left to learn. T, I, and J. So this week is T. And I am going to show you how to write the letter T. I'm going to move the computer so that you can see. Paper. Yeah, that works, doesn't it? Okay, so with all letters, we start at the very top on your blue line. T is very simple. You're going to have no trouble doing this at all. You're just going to go line down. And then when you frog up to the top, you're going to make a big line across the top. Can you see that? There we go. A line down. And you're going to go back up to the top, and you're going to make one big line across the top. Did you see that? Now watch Miss Wood. I do not want you doing this. Line down, and I do not want you going a line this way and then a line that way. That's not how we make a T. We're going to go line down, and it's going to be one continuous line across the top. Okay? I know you're going to have no trouble doing that. So with little t's, it's very simple too. You're going to do start at the top, go line down, and then you're going to draw a line straight in the middle. It's like a cross. Line down, line in the middle, right on that red line. Line down, line in the middle. T's are super simple. The sound for T is super simple too. The sound for T is just t, 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 like Tuesday. I'm gonna go grab my T book. Tuesday, tomorrow, today. So I'm going to read you my T book because we love to see some new, maybe we'll find some new T words in this book. You see, okay? Little T had a box. I will find things that begin with my T sound, he said. I will put them into my sound box. I like toys. I will look for toys. I know you guys like toys, so do I. Little T found a toy train, and the train is on a track. Did he put the toy train and the track into his box? He did. Little T found a toy tractor. Did he put the toy tractor into the box with the toy train and the track? He did. Little T found a, what is that? Truck. He drove that truck up, up, up a tall mountain. He drove to the top, the very tip top. So we have tall, top, tip top. All that starts with the letter T. At the top of the tall mountain, he found turtles. How many turtles? 1, 2. 2 starts with a T. Did he put the 2 turtles in his box? He did. Then he found what is this? It's not a frog because what does frog start with? What's another word for frog? Well, I guess it's another kind of animal, isn't it? A toad. A toad. Did he put the toad into the box? He did. He has a lot of T things in there. Now the box was so full that he could not see over the top, and he tripped. He tumbled down the mountain. He tumbled right into a turkey. The turkey feathers flew. So little T made a turkey feather hat. He and the turkey danced together. Together starts with T as well. Little T found a, do you know what that is? It makes noise if you shake it like this or you hit it up against your leg. A tambourine. He tapped the tambourine. Tap, tap, tap. There's the T word too. Little T, the turkey, the toad danced some more. And then he put all of the things in his box. Suddenly, he heard a terrific noise, and he ran into a tent, a circus tent. Oh, I wonder what kind of noise he heard. When he looked out, he saw a tiger. The tiger opened his mouth, and there were so many, what's in his tiger's mouth? Teeth, oh, and a tongue. There were so many teeth in the tiger's mouth. I have a loose tooth, said the tiger. Please pull out my tooth. So little T pulled out the tooth. Thank you, said the tiger. I guess that's why he was making so much noise. His tooth was hurting him. Then little T and the tiger went inside the tent, and they played with all the toys in the box. Do you remember what he put in there? What do you see? A truck and a tractor. Do you remember what this was? A toad playing that tambourine. And there were how many turtles? 2. And a turkey. And then what did he go inside of? the tent. They had a terrific time. All right, let's see what other things start with the letter T. What do you guys see? Do you see the toothbrush? How about the taco? Yum. Do you see the teapot? How about the telephone? And this isn't a bicycle, it's a tricycle. Oh, look at this. Look what's sticking out of that sock. It's toe. And this is a tray. Oh, and this is a fancy kind of flower. It's called a tulip. They're so beautiful. They're blooming right now. You might even be able to find some. They like to hang out with daffodils. And a teapot. Did I say that? Table? Oh, tie. And a tomato. And this is supposed to be a television. It's an old tiny television. Our televisions don't look much like that anymore. All right, I'd love for you to look around your house and find some T words today. See how many you can find and let me know. All right, so we're going to do things just a little bit different this week. Well, for the rest of the week. You'll have a video from me like you usually do on Mondays. And then on Tuesdays, we're going to get together into small groups on the computer like we did last week. And we're going to meet together. And on Tuesdays, we'll be working on letters and sounds and different things like that. And then on Thursday this week, we're going to be working together in small groups in math. For doing some math things, kind of like what we did with centers, like you would meet with me or Miss Colley or something like that. But anyway, Miss Colley and I are hopefully both going to be on there at the same time, and so we'll be with you guys in your small groups, okay? And then on Fridays, we thought it would be fun to do a show and tell, and since we can't really do the mystery bag like we usually do, we thought that we would ask 4 or 5 of you every Friday to show us something special that you have at home, just one thing. So just choose one thing, and you can talk for just a couple of minutes, and on Friday we'll get together. And so let me see who it is going to be this Friday. Okay, so this Friday we would love to see what you have. Are you ready? Ashton, Miss Evie, Lily Mae, Austin, and Owen. So if you 5 could get together just one thing to bring, and we'll meet on the computer like we did last week on Friday at 9 o'clock. Okay, so get up and have your breakfast, and we will see you at 9 o'clock on Friday. I feel like there was one more thing I wanted to tell you guys about. Make sure you look on the web page for your different worksheets, and I'm going to send a message to your parents to let you know when we're going to meet on Tuesday and on Thursday, okay? Practice your T's, look for some T sounds, count lots, and if it's a beautiful day, please go outside and play. Be good boys and girls, and I'll see you tomorrow.